Is your dish soap toxic? Now, this is something that has been in the news recently in terms of the power sort of spray types of dish soap, which are very, very popular. But there has been some implication in some people that are sensitive that it may be causing an unhealthy microbiome and things such as SIBO and even potentially leaky gut syndrome because of one of the ingredients that makes the formula a little bit different from regular dish soap. And this ingredient to look out for on the labels of these products is called alcohol ethoxylates, and it has been found in some research to have a toxicity effect but also a barrier damaging effect to the gut wall lining. Now, beyond that type of dish soap, other toxic dish soaps can contain other compromising ingredients, some of which you may have heard me talk about before related to other health and beauty products. Okay, one of them is SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, and this has been linked to skin irritations, including redness and itching and even dry skin. Another one is sodium Laureth sulfate, so SLES, also related to skin irritations, allergic reactions, and even hives and itchy skin. This one can irritate your eyes if you are sensitive. Another ingredient is Cocamidopropyl Betaine, and this has been linked again to skin irritations, itching, and dryness, and can cause eye irritations as well. And another one is Methylisothiazolinone. Very difficult to say. Now, this is a preservative that also has been linked to skin irritations, itching, redness, and can cause eye irritation and even respiratory problems in some individuals. So I guess my tip here is to really look at those ingredients in your dish soaps. Now, you may want to opt for a more natural dish soap that usually you can purchase either online or in the health food stores, or you may want to make your own as well. And if you are wondering, maybe your gut does have some toxicity issues, maybe you do have leaky gut, well, I want you to take a look at this video. It's all about warning signs your gut is full of toxins. I'll see you there.